Typical. Got this eBay. Gosh, the box it came in was I wouldn't say the best packing. It was just like thrown in with a little bit of bubble wrap. I kid not. Got the backs. The item said in the listing it works fine. Blah blah blah. Yeah, powered it up. First thing, because I was going to check, because sometimes these are notorious for the power supply failure or something on there. Maybe the capacitors, the such. Few of the basic components. So this was the one that was in it originally. I took it out. There was a few screws loose, missing, and so on it. So I thought, yeah, no, all right, it's been inside. I thought, okay, where can I cannibalize another power supply? So I took a power supply out of this. It's a working okay FBQ, but I'm not using these FBQs at the moment. I've got another one here that's totally a little bit up creek. I think that one totally got knackered on the probably the on this part of the circuitry, I guess. The other one's okay, so it's okay. I'll just get this screwed in now. Put the screws in on the back. Let me just check the familiar. So I'd have to reconfigure this. So it's been configured for, so these are all configurable. Surround left, surround right, top left, top right, dynamic, or something DA, D1, not sure. Medium, I don't know, could be anything. Left, right, M. So depending on how this was used last. Set up.